me! In front of me is Realme 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on additional settings, click on keyboard and the input method and tap on Gboard. Over here you can finally click on theme section and tap on show mode to see all available themes. When you're ready, pick the best one for you, like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And select apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. After that, tap on done, click on the switcher next to keyboarders and select apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!